こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. 皆さんはしゃぶしゃぶ好きですか？ Do you like しゃぶしゃぶ？しゃぶしゃぶ is a one pot, hot pot dish, Japanese hot pot dish, and cook a thinly sliced meat and vegetable, and shabu shabu is the sound of cooking the food, cooking meat in a pot. Shabu shabu, like swish, and then shabu shabu is known for winter food or cold time hot pot dish. But today I'm gonna introduce cold shabu shabu salad. So 冷たい豚しゃぶサラダ. Ton is a pork and shabu is a shabu shabu salad. So how to prepare is very simple. Just the pork parts, cooking the shabu shabu parts, and prepare salad or your favorite vegetable of your choice. And then dressing. And dressing, you can use Ponzu Jhouyu. It's a citrus and soy sauce based sauce, and you can just use this one as it is, but my favorite is using this is a deep roasted sesame dressing, creamy sesame dressing, ponzu, and Japanese style barbecue sauce, Yakiniku no Tare. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to prepare a very simple tasty sauce or dressing. And for meat parts, there are simple, but there are some secrets to prepare yummy, soft, juicy meat. So first, before start cooking, take the pork out of the fridge 15 minutes before. Because if you drop the cold meat into the boiling water, meat get hardened. So to avoid that, keep the room temperature for 15 minutes. Second, separate the meat. So usually shabu shabu meat layered together, and before cooking, it's easier if you separate in advance. And to keep the pork soft, nice and soft, once you start boiling the water, and then once it starts boiling, turn down the heat to very low and cook in low heat. That's third secret. And fourth, add sake in cooking water, boiling water. Sake and salt. Sake remove the excess smell of pork. And salt is like a seasoning. And fifth, the secret is after shabu shabu pork, take out, drain, but don't run over the cold water or iced water. Some people make it cold with cold water, but you don't need that. Just drain and then keep it in room temperature. So once it's cooked, drain and keep in room temperature. And if you really like a cold one, you can keep it in the fridge. So don't wash the pork or don't put in iced water. So 冷たい豚しゃぶサラダ very simple but very tasty. It's a very good dinner or lunch menu for hot summer day. So let's see how to prepare 冷たい豚しゃぶサラダ. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have requests for future menu, please write it down at the comment section down below. The recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. You need half pound of thinly sliced pork, shabu shabu meat, 4 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of sake, and some salt. And vegetables for salad is your choice. Today I use the sunny lettuce and thinly sliced onion and sliced cucumber and some baby tomato. And for sauce or dressing, 2 tablespoons of Ponzu Jhouyu or Ponzu Shouyu, 3 tablespoons of, this is my favorite, deep roasted sesame dressing. I use the kewpie brand. And 1 tablespoon of Japanese BBQ sauce. It's a Yakiniku no Tare. So let's start making the dressing. 2 tablespoons of Ponzu Jhouyu or Ponzu Jhouyu. 3 tablespoons of sesame, deep roasted sesame dressing. And secret seasoning. 1 tablespoon of Yakiniku no Tare or Japanese style barbecue sauce and mix very well. And you can use just Ponzu Jhouyu for dressing too. And we're gonna cook the shabu shabu meat. This is a thinly sliced pork. And you separate in advance because the meat kinda get stuck together. So as a pre-preparation, separate the meat. And once the boil the water, 4 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of sake and some salt. And sake remove the odd smell of pork. And cook over. Once it start boiling, turn down the heat to low heat. And then we're gonna cook 7 to 8 pieces meat at a time and cook over low heat. And do shabu shabu, swish, and cook until the color of the pork changes to pink to cooked like a light brown. Swish, shabu shabu. So 7 to 8 pieces of meat at a time. And repeat the process. And we're gonna, after it's all done, we're gonna drain the water. And then some people try to cool it with ice water or cold water. But to keep a taste of pork and to keep it nice and juicy, don't wash. Cool down at the room temperature. Or after cool down, you can put in a fridge too. And repeat the process. And we're gonna put it together, some lettuce. And this is your choice. You can add any vegetable or like wakame, anything you like. And onion is important. I like putting sliced onion for my ton shabu salad. And shabu shabu pork, ton shabu. Add some cucumber. And baby tomato for color. And spread our special dressing. And for today, I added some garnish or topping, shiso leaf, julienne shiso leaf, and chopped green onion. And Tsumetai Ton Shabu Salad is ready to serve. This is very, very tasty summertime treat.